7 APIs you should try. NASA Pod. The Astronomy Picture of the Day API, developed by NASA, returns a new picture from space each day. Exchange Rate API. The Exchange Rate API is a free and reliable currency converter for over 160 currencies in the world. Cloudmersive. Cloudmersive offers multiple APIs for powerful deep learning image recognition and processing. Music Match API. The Music Match API allows to display lyrics of over 14 million tracks on your website or application. Fat Secret Platform. The Fat Secret Platform API you have complete access to a database of food and nutrition. COVID-19 API. The COVID-19 API gives you access to up-to-date data on the coronavirus pandemic. Open Weather API. You can use the Open Weather API to access current weather data for over 2 lakh cities.